There isn't one magic bullet that's going to give the answer to this. We're going to need all these feedstocks and all these different technologies to play. Of course, what's driving this is the RED, the Renewable Energy Directive. You probably all know about this. I've bored you many, many times on this subject, but it now mandates by 2020, 15% of all the energy we use in the UK will come from renewables. And renewables goes from wind and wave down to biomass. Biomass is taking an increasingly large portion of the RED. We were looking as a target, so that 15% is a legally binding target. If the country doesn't achieve it, there could be issues. Ministers are going to have to go to Brussels and explain why. But within that, how we achieve that 15% is down to us. So we've got some indicative targets that say that power about 30%, heat about 12%, and biofuels 10%. Now biofuels is mandated. That 10% target has been set by Brussels, and it is a mandated target. How are we going against that? Well, as I said, we were around 7.5%, 7.8% power last year. Just in the first quarter of 2011, that's jumped to 9.6%. That shows you we put on nearly 2% just in the last 6 months. Big, big jump. Heat, we're still struggling just under 2%, but again, that's not really surprising. The RHI, the Renewable Heat Incentive, has only just come in, and for domestic users, it isn't going to start till at least 2012. Biofuels were about 3.3%, only about 0.2% behind target. So whilst we've still got a way to go, you look at them numbers and there's still a way to go, agreed, but it is starting now to pick up.